Want those wide capped shoulders? Here's how to grow your side, front, and rear delts fast. 1. Seated dumbbell lateral raises. Start with this isolation move to hit the side delts. Sit upright with a light dumbbell in each hand. Raise both arms out to the sides until shoulder height, keeping tension on the delts. Control the descent. 3 sets, 12 to 15 reps. 2. Seated dumbbell shoulder press. This is your go-to for building strength and size in the front delts. Sit back with dumbbells at shoulder level and press them overhead. Focus on a full range and squeezing at the top. 3 sets, 8 to 10 reps. 3. Machine reverse fly target the rear delts to balance your shoulders and improve posture. Sit on the reverse pec deck, chest supported, and bring the handles back in a wide arc. 3 sets, 12-15 reps. 4. Barbell Upright Row. Stand tall and pull a barbell up to chest or ear level using your elbows. This builds the traps and side delts. Use a moderate weight to avoid swinging. 3 sets, 10-12 reps. 5. Barbell front raises. Hit the front delts with a light straight or EZ bar. Raise the bar slowly to shoulder height, then lower with control. Focus on keeping the tension on the delts, not your back. 3 sets, 12 reps. 6. Machine shrugs. Finish strong with trap work. Use a shrug machine or dumbbells. Lift your shoulders up toward your ears and squeeze hard at the top. 3 sets, 15 reps.